Greetings to you all. I hope all are fine and safe at home. Okay, now look at the picture. What is this? This is a flower. Okay, good. How does the flowers looks? Very beautiful. It's a beautiful flower, right? Okay, what part of speech is beautiful? Is it noun, adverb, verb, or adjective? Adjective. Yeah, very good. Today you are going to learn about adjective. Okay? Can anyone tell you what an adjective is? Adjectives are words that are used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. For example, hot, beautiful, too, bold, learned, tired, etc. These are adjectives because they describe things. Hot tree, beautiful flowers, two dice, bald head, learned graduate, and tired man. Okay, children? Then, adjectives takes many forms. Some common adjectives are formed when we add a suffix to a noun or verb. See, for example, when we add the suffix full to the noun beauty, we got the adjective beautiful. Like that, when we add the suffix able to the verb read, we got the adjective readable. That's all about the adjectives. Now we move on to our book bag exercise. Open page number 94. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with suitable words. There is a dash ground in my school. Anyone can say the correct answer? What do we do in the ground? Play. Yeah, very good. So the correct answer is play. There is a playground in my school. Next, the dash sky looks beautiful at night. Nighttime, the sky is full of what? Stars. Good. So, the starry sky looks beautiful at night. Okay. Next one. The tray has dash vegetables. Students, look at the picture. The vegetables are fresh, aren't they? Yes. So the tray has fresh vegetables. Next one. It is a dash day. The sun is very hot, isn't it? Yes. It is a hot day. Next one. The girl gave her friend a dash smile. A pleasant smile. Okay. See the next exercise. Put the word in correct order and rewrite each sentence. They have a post box. In bracket, red, small, rectangular. See, here all the given words are adjectives. You want to correct the order and rewrite the sentence. So listen carefully. When there are two or more adjectives together, they appear in this order. Okay. First, you see the quantity. Quantity you know very well. Numbers 1, 5, 9, etc. Okay. Next, second one. It's about quality or opinion. Okay, like brave, great, amazing, etc. Then third, about size. Small, tall, big, etc. Then about age. Old, young, adult, etc. Then about color. Purple, dark, green, etc. Okay. Students, according to this order, you want to arrange the words. See the first sentence. they have a post box. In bracket, red, small, rectangular. The answer is they have a small, rectangular, red post box. Okay. Like this, you arrange the orders. Okay. Now see the next one. I have sticks. In bracket, long, 2, brown. I have 2 long brown sticks. Okay, the remaining sentence or your homework. Okay, children. Like this, you arrange the order and rewrite the sentence. Okay. Now, we move on to the next exercise. Refer to a dictionary for the meanings and circle the odd one. Tiny, small, enormous, little, puny. Tiny. What is the meaning of tiny? All of you take your dictionary and find the meaning. Tiny means very small. Good. Then what is the meaning of small? Of a size that is less than normal. That also same meaning. And tiny, small, little and puny. These words have similar meanings. Enormous is the odd one. What is the meaning of enormous? Very large in size. So this is the odd one. Then circle the word enormous. Children, like this, refer your dictionary and circle the odd one. Okay? Do the homeworks and send to me. Thank you, children. We will meet on next video.